Once upon a time in the mystical land of Aravia, there was a kingdom known for its breathtaking beauty and powerful magic. The kingdom was ruled by the wise and kind Queen Elara, who possessed a rare gift, the ability to communicate with the elemental spirits of earth, water, fire, and air. Queen Elara's closest confidant was a young girl named Lyra, an orphan who had grown up in the palace and had a natural affinity for magic. One day, a dark cloud descended upon Aravia, bringing with it a mysterious sorcerer named Malachai. Malachai coveted the elemental magic that Queen Elara wielded and sought to take it for himself. He cast a powerful spell that caused the elemental spirits to go into hiding, leaving the kingdom vulnerable and its crops failing, waters drying up, and air thickening with soot. The once prosperous land fell into despair. Lyra, determined to save her beloved kingdom, embarked on a quest to find the hidden elemental spirits and restore balance to Aravia. With a map given to her by Queen Elara, Lyra set off on her journey, guided by a flickering hope and the whispers of the wind. Her journey took her through enchanted forests, across treacherous mountains, and into the depths of ancient caves. Along the way, she encountered various magical beings, a mischievous forest sprite named Thistle, a grumpy stone giant named Granitus, and a wise old mermaid named Seraphina. Each of them provided Lyra with clues and assistance, testing her courage and resolve. After many trials, Lyra finally found the hidden sanctuary of the elemental spirits. However, Malachai had anticipated her arrival and was waiting. A fierce battle ensued, with Lyra using all the magical knowledge she had acquired from Queen Elara and her new friends. Just when it seemed like Malachai would triumph, the elemental spirits, moved by Lyra's bravery and pure heart, returned to aid her, combining their powers to vanquish the sorcerer.